Welcome back to the natural kitchen. We will be cooking up a mouth-watering Jamaican soup made with turkey neck and chicken. Now this soup is not only flavorful, it is packed with some amazing health benefits. Now I like to eat home cooked meals, so I normally cook in large batches when I do. Now I recommend that you season the water to give this soup a nice flavorful base. While you wait for the water to boil, start prepping your meat as this will go in the pot first. Once the water comes to a boil, go ahead and add the turkey neck as this will take the longest to cook. This is a great time to add your pumpkin as it will also cook out in the liquid. These dumplings are made from whole wheat, which is a great alternative to white flour. We also have our ground provision, which is yellow yam, turnips, and so on. We add a variety of vegetables to this dish, and they are high in vitamin A, C, and potassium, which is good for your immune system. This Jamaican style soup is definitely a one-pot meal. You'll find your protein, your carbs, and your vegetables all in one place. Let me know in the comments how you like to prepare your soup. Now, if you've enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends and family. While the turkey neck is cooking, it's a great time to chop all your veggies. Now, I use a lot of garlic, a lot of onions, and I will now peel my root vegetables and I will chop them up and wash them. This root vegetable is known as cocoa in Jamaica, but around the world it is also known as malanga. It is great for soup dishes. When your turkey neck is partially cooked, you can add the chicken to the pot. After that comes to a boil, then you can add more water. While the meat is still cooking, I will prep the rest of the ingredients. As I said earlier in the video, I do cook with a lot of garlic. It is so good for your health. Now the great thing about soup is that you don't need to eat the food or the meat in the soup to reap the health benefits. You can simply get that from the liquid itself. This is why soup is commonly served to someone that is sick. The ingredients in this soup can be customized to your preference and taste. So if you don't like something, you can leave it out and you can add whatever other spices that you like. Onions also add a lot of flavor to the dish and is loaded with nutrients. Now when the meat is almost cooked, we will start adding the rest of the ingredients to the pot. Now the yellow yam is usually peeled last, because if you peel it and let it sit, some yellow yams tend to change color. So you usually peel it right before you're ready to put it in the pot. Give your veggies a good wash and they are ready for the pot. Now this footage is a little dark because we were cooking in the late evening and we didn't have the best light outside. Now add the rest of the seasoning for flavor and just cover and let it simmer. I decided to add some celery to the soup. Now celery is high in fiber, magnesium, and potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure. Make sure to wash your celery well before adding it to the pot. I also decided to add some lentils to the soup. Lentils are known to be high in iron, vitamin B1, and folate, which supports your heart health. You can also add some scotch bonnet if you like your soup a little bit more spicy. That's totally optional. Now let me know in the comments what's your favorite soup to make. When all the veggies are cooked, the soup is ready to be served. This Jamaican style soup is flavorful and satisfying. If you decide to try this recipe, just leave your feedback in the comments. This soup is loaded with health benefits, plus it nourishes your body and soul. Now check out the sky view of my beautiful island. Thanks for checking out my channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes.